Damn.
Schon hot.
Oh, with the Sammy's legs. What up YouTube, and welcome to a new video. Today from the famous Nikko Circuit. The weather sucks ass, it's super cold, windy and rainy. The worst weather you can imagine for drift event. But whatever, there are already some sick cars, gonna be a sick day. So either way, let's enjoy.
That's crazy.
And it's even free today, I think.
Yeah, I think spectating is for free. And I can already spot some super sick cars.
The first S13 already really sick, in my opinion.
First car already. Insanely cool. Oh. Pinstripe. Wow. Wow. This R32 4-door, green with the chrome CRKs. It's amazing. I feel like the CRKs are good on every car except my RX-7. But this is definitely a look. The headlights. This S13. This S13 also beautiful. R34 4-door, also beautiful car. Done right. Gorgeous Corolla. Also, there's nothing better than a carbon Kevlar hood. So good.
86がね出たことによってこの先代のトヨタ86をなんて呼んだらいいのっていう問題がありますよ。ST っていうことなんですね。正しく説明することなんですね。いらっしゃいますけれども、
Crazy looking S13. Looks like a one-off custom body kit. Someone built. Wow. S15 also beautiful. Sideways X rental car that you can also get on Nikko Circuit. Wow, what a beautiful Corolla. It is crazy. Super beat up, rusty. Silvio. Insane. S14. S15 front end. Wow. Looks like an N-style practice car. Also has an N-style window banner on it. Both of these cars look super cool. Nice. Looks like it's insanely slippery out there. Also, there's still qualifications going on. But yeah, it seems like a lot of people are still struggling with their driving. Look fast. sounds fast. Oh, it seems like a lot of people are heading wrong. Grip on the front. Everybody's understeering.